Good day, grade 5s. Today we are doing mass. Now, mass is usually when we work with weight. Now, weight can be measured in grams or kilograms. Now, when we talk of this is our two measurements of weight that we are going to learn in grade 5. Now, grams and kilogram. How do they work? 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. Right, that means when we go from grams to kilograms, we divide 1,000. If we go from kilograms to grams, we times 1,000. Okay, this is a fundamental principle that you will have to follow. Now, for instance, this will be recurring, so please write this down. Okay, now I'm quickly going to do a few examples with you guys so that you can understand. Now, let's say I've got 2,000 grams and I'm taking it to kilograms. We do the first thing, we're going to say 2,000 divided by 1,000, which will give me 2, therefore 2 kilograms. It's very simple, it's very easy. So as you guys can notice, when we're going from the smaller unit to the bigger unit, we're dividing with 1,000. Now let's do an example of the opposite caliber. Now, when we go from kilograms to grams, let's say we've got 3 kilograms. And I'm asking you, how much grams is this? You're going to do the following. You're going to say 3 times 1,000. Why 1,000? Because there is 1,000 grams in 1 kg. So 3 times 1,000 gives me 3,000. Therefore, 3,000 grams. Now that's very simple. That's very easy. Now, usually when we measure things, we have different scales. Like we've got a bathroom scale that's used to measure your own weight. It will be in kilograms. We've got a kitchen scale that will usually measure in grams. Then we've got a balancing scale that will usually also measure in gram or kilogram, depending on what they're balancing. Now, so for, let's say example, you get 8,153 grams and they want you to take it to kilogram. First step you're going to do, write it for me as follows, do it for me as follows. You're going to say 8,153 over 1,000. If you guys do remember decimal fractions, this will give us 8,153 kgs. Okay, very simple. What I want you guys to do is when you're working with this, that you put it over a decimal fraction. It makes it a lot simpler when converting mass. Let's do a few more examples. Okay, let's say they give you 2,634 grams and they want you to take it to kilograms. What you're going to do is you're going to put it over 1,000 again, making it a decimal fraction. Then your answer is going to be 2,634 kilograms. Now that's very simple, that's very easy. Okay, grade 5s, today I want you to do activity 43. I want you guys to do activity 43 and let me quickly explain something. Let's say you've got the following, they give you let's see, where was that one? They give you 5,20 kgs and they ask you to convert it to grams. Okay, what you do here is very simple. Okay, first of all, you're going to say 5,20 times 1,000. Okay, now look closely. What happens to my decimal point? Look very closely. Okay, so if I times my decimal point with 1,000, what happens? It moves up 3 spaces. Okay, so our decimal point moves to here. So, thus we'll have 5,200 kgs. Okay, that's what you do when they give you 5.20 kgs or something like this, and they ask you to take it to grams. Also, how this works is, let's say you've got 2.346 kgs, and you have to take it to grams. Okay, first of all, we're going to times this by 1,000. Okay, how this works again, let me explain. Okay, our decimal point is here, right? Now it just moves up 3 spaces. And our new answer will look like 2.346 grams. Okay, I hope that is understandable. For today, please do activity 43. If there are any additional questions you want to ask, please ask me about it. We'll also give a live class about this on Google Classroom. Enjoy your day, great vibes.